Mini beasts at work. This plant is, I'm not sure what it is, but it's absolutely covered in black fly about a week ago. So much so that I turned the hose pipe on it because I didn't want to sit here. It was completely black. And now I am seeing loads of ladybirds and ladybird larvae in my garden. It's just so amazing to watch nature at work. There really is no need for pesticides some days. Most of the time, there's no need at all. I have worked, I have used and made an ivy soap. Used the ivy soap a couple of times around here. How's it going? Bye. There's another fly flew off. Flew through. Let's put it down. There's a larvae. There's a ladybird larvae as well.